If you've ever blown a prop account by trying to catch a falling knife or trying to choose the bottom of a downtrend, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you not only how to avoid blowing your accounts, but how to profit from it and the exact place to enter for the maximum profit. And this entry model is called the steel glove entry model or the steel glove trade, because the only safe way to catch a falling knife is with a steel glove. So let's get right to it. Here we are on the NQ 1 minute time frame chart. We're about to open here. So let's see, it opens up. Looks like it goes down. Maybe it could show some positivity. We could enter here for a long and then put our stop down here, 40 points, of course, in the NQ. So we get stopped out, stay out. Don't try to catch the bottom here. Still coming down. Even it had this little upturn here. You still do not play for the turnaround yet because we haven't seen our signal. Let's keep it going here. A few more bars. And then this dropped 250 points. If you tried to catch this all the way down, you could have blown one or multiple prop firm accounts. So here we are at the bottom. And how do we identify that this is the bottom? This is the absolute bottom, and the best time to enter is this fair value gap right here, this 1 minute fair value gap. It does help that we have another fair value gap over here, a red fair value gap, which signifies an exhaustion in the downtrend. It's an inverted fair value gap, but what we're concerned with is finding the first 1 minute fair value gap after a downtrend. Then we will enter at this top bar, top of the third candle of the fair value gap. Let me draw out the fair value gap first. And now what I like to take is a 100 point take profit to a 40 point stop loss. Just get my long position here. So we just pull it up to our 100 points right here, right there. Like I said, you can either put the stop loss right underneath the swing low, which in this case is about 63 points, or take the standard 40 point. I usually take the standard 40 point stop loss because that's one strike price in the options market, and that's my standard NQ stop loss. So okay, we'll just play it out here, see what happens. And as you can see, it goes up, and it does take it out, of course, right there. So, and then right on this bar here, hit the 100 points, boom, you're out. So the reason this technique is so powerful is because it plays out all the time, and it avoids all this downtrend. So this is 250 points in 30 minutes from the open till 9 o'clock, 30 minutes, 250 points downdraft. And I'm guaranteed there's thousands and thousands of prop firm accounts that have been blown. But I avoided all this by looking for this one single technique. So let's go over this entry model one more time. This is a steel glove entry model. And what we're looking for is the first 1 minute fair value gap. You can also do it on the 3 minute, but your ranges are going to be a lot higher. Your stop loss will be a little bit further if you put it down at the swing low, or you take your standard 40 point stop loss and your 100 point gainer. This day did continue on above to make a check mark day. But if you follow this entry model, you will avoid all this 250 point drop. And it happened very fast too. From 8:30 till 9 a.m. in a half an hour, dropped 250 points. I know a lot of people blew their accounts today, but with this entry model, you will stop blowing accounts and you'll start making money.